Hello my YouTube friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you friends? Hope you all are fine. In this video we are going to show you a very interesting, beautiful, outstanding and very creative handmade Happy New Year and Christmas craft ideas. So one by one latest amazing Christmas and handmade New Year celebration craft ideas. You can watch this video. It's a very beautiful Christmas decorations make our homes feel magical and full of joy. And handmade decorations bring a special charm that store-bought items cannot match. When you decorate your home, you decorate your heart as well, and simple lights can turn an ordinary room into a window wonderland. Christmas ornaments tell a story of happiness, hope and family traditions. Using natural materials like wood, jute, and burlap adds a rustic beauty. Rustic crafts remind us that simplicity is the real elegance, and handmade ornaments show effort, love, and creativity. Decorating together strengthens family bonds and create memories. Christmas candles symbolize peace and light in our lives. Soft, warm lights create a calm and cozy atmosphere. Always remember, decoration is not about money, it is about creativity. Recycled materials can be turned into stunning Christmas decor. Crafting teaches patience and brings inner peace. Christmas wreaths welcome happiness into our home. A simple door decoration can spread joy to everyone who visits. Handmade decor carries the warmth of your hands and heart. Every ornament you make becomes a piece of your story. Take time to enjoy the process, not just the result. Christmas trees shine brighter when decorated with love. Each ornament reflects your hope and festive spirits. Simple designs often look more elegant and meaningful. Let your creativity flow without fear of perfection. Christmas crafts remind us to slow down and enjoy the moment. Decorating is a form of gratitude for all the blessings we have. Share your crafts with others and spread happiness. Even small decorations can make a big difference. And Christmas decor is not about trend, it's about emotions. Handmade ornaments bring a personal touch to celebration. Use soft colors to create a peaceful Christmas vibe. Natural textures make decorations feel warm and welcoming. Crafting helps reduce stress and fill the heart with joy. Christmas is a time to give, not just receive. Let your decorations reflect kindness and positivity. Simple bells and stars add classic Christmas beauty. Each handmade piece holds memories for years to come. Decorating together teaches love, sharing, and teamwork. Christmas decor should bring smiles, not pressure. Enjoy every small details of your decorations. Christmas crafts remind us that handmade is always special. Your home becomes more beautiful when filled with love. Decorations are expressions of happiness and celebrations. Let your creativity shine this Christmas season. Make decorations that tell your unique story. Christmas is about warmth, peace, and togetherness.